If this video found you right now, stop scrolling for a moment. This is not random. This is not an accident. This is a moment placed directly in your path by Allah because He knows what has been happening inside your heart. You've been drifting, not intentionally, not rebelliously, just slowly, quietly, without noticing. The prayers became rushed, the heart became distracted, the mind became busy, the soul became tired. Maybe you've been surrounded by people, habits, or environments that slowly pushed you away from the warmth of faith. Maybe you've been carrying guilt for not praying the way you used to, not remembering Allah the way you once did, or feeling disconnected during worship. And yet, here you are, receiving a reminder at the exact time your heart needed one. Allah says, "Wallahu yuridu an yatuba alaykum," and Allah wants to turn to you in mercy. This verse is not about perfect people, it's about returning people. People like you. Your heart is not dead. If it were, you wouldn't feel this guilt, this longing, this ache. Your heart is alive and Allah is calling it back before the world pulls it too far. You might think, but I've been distant, but I barely pray, but I've sinned too much, but I don't know how to come back. Listen carefully. Distance never scares Allah. Sin never overwhelms Allah. Guilt never pushes Allah away. Allah tells you, قُلْ يَا عِبَادِيَ الَّذِينَ أَسْرَفُوا عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِهِمْ لَا تَقْنَطُوا مِنْ رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ. O my servants who have wronged themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. He's not asking you to be perfect. He's asking you to come back, even if your iman feels weak, even if you've fallen over and over, even if you don't know where to start. Just take one step, one sincere Astaghfirullah, one quiet, Ya Allah, guide me, one small prayer said from the depths of your heart, because Allah responds to the whispers no one else hears. Let me share something you may need. There was a man who fell into sin, and every time he tried to return, he slipped again. He thought Allah was disappointed with him. One night he finally cried, Ya Allah, I keep failing you. In the last third of that night, he felt a peace he hadn't felt in years, not because he became perfect, but because he turned back. And that's all Allah wanted. Your heart is being pulled right now. That's not guilt. That's not fear. That's guidance. Allah is calling you back to Him, gently, lovingly, personally. This moment is a chance to realign your heart, a chance to reconnect your soul, a chance to begin again. Start small, start imperfect, start quietly, but start, because the one who brought you here, the one who placed this reminder on your screen, the one who knows every detail of your struggle, He never left you, He never stopped wanting you, He never stopped waiting for you. So answer the call, say Bismillah, take the first step back, and Allah will take care of everything that comes after.